What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xman Co. Today we're going to do a budget maize meal pizza. Stay tuned. As most of you guys might be aware that here in South Africa, especially Durban, things are a bit crazy and upside down at the moment. So we decided through all of this devastating things happening and the situation that we are facing here, that we should make a budget maize meal pizza. Show you guys that you could maybe do something in your house with the available ingredients that you have. So we're going to keep it very basic today. Maize meal is an ingredient that's actually a staple food in South Africa and many other countries. Therefore, I would believe you might have it available in your house. Bread, on the other hand, milk, sugar, eggs, those are the things we've realized that's very difficult to get hold of, and therefore making a proper pizza base is really not an option at this stage. That said, let's get straight into this. We've got a few ingredients here. I'm just going to run over a few that we have. We've got some hot picante peppers here. We had it in the fridge. We've got some cheese here, two different colored cheese, but in actual fact both Gouda cheese. We've got a piece of wors here, aka sausage. Got some spices here, salt, water, and maize meal. Then we've got a sauce for the base that we're going to do. We're really going to keep it simple. Remember, our objective today is to use what we have available, and therefore guys, you do not need to stick to our recipe here today. You could play with it. We just want to share with you, you could really do with what you have in your house. First of all, we need to make our pap. Basically, that's the mixture that's going to become our base, and what you need here is a cup of water and a cup of maize meal. Let me show you how to do this. First of all, you're going to mix your water with your maize meal. I've split the maize meal in two. Once you've mixed that, you're going to add the rest of your maize meal. You want to mix it to a little bit of a paste. This is the consistency that you're looking for. That's perfect. Once we're happy with the paste, we're going to move over to the fire. 1.5 cup of water. Bring it up to boiling point. Once it's boiling, turn the heat down, and then we're going to add our paste. You want to mix it in initially, and then you want to let it simmer for between 4 and 5 minutes. Now that your porridge, your pap has been on the stove for medium heat for about 5 minutes, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to mix the butter in there. Next thing you want to add in there is some cheese. We're going to take a cup of cheese. You can grate it beforehand, or you can grate it like I'm doing now, just straight into there, straight into the bowl. Then you want to mix the cheese in there. This is going to help bind your base for your pizza. Alright guys, once your pap mixture has been mixed properly, and you get this texture like that, it's pulling a bit, that's just perfect. Let's build the base for this beautiful pizza. Something to note, you guys can see that the porridge is sticking slightly to this wooden spoon. When you make pap and it falls off the spoon, that's basically when it's ready. This is not ready yet, that's why it's still sticking to the spoon. Just a pro tip there. Right, let's do this. You want to maybe use a glove or your hands, whatever you're happy with and comfortable with, just to pat down your mixture, your pap mixture. Right guys, our base has been pressed out. Now it's time for the oven. We're going to do it in the wood-fired pizza oven today. You can do it at home in your oven or even on your Weber grill. Let's go do it. So we're going to put it in the oven now for about 2-3 minutes, just to try and cook your base a little bit more. Remember, all your ingredients you're going to put on top of the base, that really is just melting most of the time, and that happens pretty quickly. So this is just to make sure our base gets a little bit of extra love and will be thoroughly cooked once we're done with this whole exercise. We had this base in the pizza oven for about 3.5 minutes. In your oven, 180 degrees, maybe let's say 4-5 minutes, as this is much warmer over here. Now it's time for our base sauce. Let's make that. So firstly, we're gonna use some tomato sauce. I would guess about 2 tablespoons. A dash of honey for sweetness. Remember, as far as sweetness goes, you could use sweet chili sauce. A little bit of olive oil there. We like to add some oregano. These are all things that we do have in our home, available to us. Pinch of salt, and there we go. Now just to mix all of that together, You could play with the consistency. In this case, we're going to add a little bit more tomato sauce. Normally, we would like to add some tomato paste. We've got a video, I'll show it on the screen somewhere here, the recipe to our base that we normally use. It's very straightforward and it's really delicious. Let's add this sauce to our pizza base. Next, we want to add some of our favorite braai mix. It's just basically spices. This is called Worcester sauce braai mix, just for some taste. We're going to add a little bit of cheese, so everything sticks to cheese normally. Just going to do like that. We're going to grate on top of this beautiful base we've created out of maize meal. I like to add some hot picante peppers. I've had them in the fridge, so why not, eh? That looks delicious. We're going to add our sausage now. You could use any sausage, you could use mince meat. Lastly, some cheese. You decide how much cheese you want to put on. I don't think you can put on too much. Now that you're happy with all the toppings that you're going to put on this beautiful base of yours, it's time for the oven. As I said before, pizza oven most probably going to take 2-3 minutes, and this is going to be ready to go. In your oven at home, it might be a little bit longer, 10 minutes. 180 degrees is perfect. And right at the end, if you like it nice and crispy, maybe for a minute, grill from top. Guys, that moment that we've all been waiting for. Who would have thought you could make a maize meal pizza? Well, we've made it and we're gonna eat it now. Guys, I wonder if you can see there. Cheers. Wow. Wow. This is nice. I should have another bite, but I don't want to waste your time. Guys, this is absolutely the bomb. It's amazing. I can tell you guys, you should go and try it. Even if it's not tough times, just put all of these things together, play a little bit, add some more, take a little bit away, and enjoy it. Guys, you know the story. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Shh. It's nice.